What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, I picked up the creator combo, so in this video, I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. This is everything that's going to go ahead and come in the creator combo. So starting out, we do have this very nice sort of carrying case. As you can see, it does have that DJI logo on it, and it sort of has this like waterproof covering on it. This kind of feels like that. And if you can see the way the zipper's designed, like no water's getting in there. But if we open it up here, we can go ahead and see that we have multiple pockets. Of course, the Pocket 3 is going to fit in there easily, no problem. So we have that. Of course, we do have the Pocket 3 itself. And I have to say that this is like just incredibly tiny. I mean, it is really, really small. This is my first pocket camera from DJI, but I mean, just to give you some reference, like here's a normal size energy drink. And this thing is really, really small, which I definitely like there. Now, we do get the extended battery here. So if you want more battery, you're definitely going to get it with this. And this does have the tripod grip or tripod thread on the bottom. So you will get that. Now, if you don't want to use this, this is too big. You do have just one that just gives you the thread on the bottom. So this is this little extender. And it also moves that USB-C port to the side, so you can still charge if you are making use of the bottom here for that tripod thread, which is nice. And talking about the tripod thread here, we do get a little mini tripod as well. Just screws into the bottom and goes out like this. And of course, you would put your Pocket 3 right on top, but you get a little mini tripod, which is definitely nice there as well. We do get that brand new DJI Mic 2. This thing is very small, going to give you really great audio. And then with this, and again, this works without a receiver. You don't need a receiver if you're using it with the Pocket 3. It just works. And with that, you're getting their very powerful magnet as well that just goes right on the back here. It allows you to attach it where you may not have something to clip on, which is definitely really nice there. And you do get the wind muff with it too. You're also going to go ahead and you are going to get a USB-C to USB-C cable. You're of course going to go ahead and use this for charging as well as data transfer. So you get that. And then you get the protective cover. And before I get into the protective cover, I will let you know that you also do get the wide angle lens here. So if you're going to use this for vlogging, I would definitely recommend getting the wide angle lens, but you get that. And what's really cool about the lenses for this is they just, it's just going to go ahead and snap right on there. Like it goes right on there. Super, super easy to do, which is really nice. And you have the protective cover here for the Pocket 3, but inside there's actually room for the wide angle lens as well as the mist filter. Now you're not getting the mist filter in this pack, but you can go ahead and put the wide angle lens in there. And because it's magnetic, it just goes right in there, no problem. And of course, you put your Pocket 3 in the protective cover. It protects everything very nicely. But also there's like this little section on the end here, and you can actually clip. We'll take the magnet off, but you can go ahead and clip your DJI Mic 2 there as well. So really great combo kit. I think you do get a lot of value with this combo kit. So again, this is just everything that comes in the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo.